Hello my lovelies, how y'all doing? Is you good? Is you okay? Is you alright? It is I, your girl's house comforts. I am absolutely knackered. I think it shows on my face that I am uber tired. So please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. Make sure you like this video because I'm bringing you a do-it-yourself video. Share, hit the notification button so that you get notified anytime I upload new videos. You'll be doing this tired girl a huge favor, and I thank you for that. Today's video, I am going to be transforming this space that you see right here into my workspace. That is what we are going to be doing, and I am so excited to do it. I am tired, yes, but I'm very excited to do it. So let's get to the video. That this space needs some transformation is because I'm starting a new business. It's called Brush Yourself by Sal's. I'll be talking more about it in another video. This video is not for that. But when the idea came in to start this business, I was a little bit apprehensive because I'm not one of those people that take risks. But this is 2022. I'm turning 40 and it's time to step out of my bubble and do something different, and I have a really good feeling about this. I also needed somewhere where I can concentrate on this business alone, like somewhere where when I sit here my mind is focused on this and ideas on how to grow this. And I figured that if I work from my room, so my bedroom, or from my sitting room, or from the kitchen dining table, or from this space which is my salon, this is also where I work, I will not put that extra effort into this. I will not be 100% focused on that. I'll have so many other distractions that my mind will just go kabloom, you know. I am one of those people that start something, I put it in here, then while I'm working on that, something else hits me, then I put it in here, and then something else hits me, and then I put it in there. I have a really big forehead, as you can see, so I store a lot of things in here, and then I forget to do a little bit of organization. So everything is stored in here. I have 1,000 ideas that are very unorganized. And this is one of those things that I want to organize perfectly. When I do finally open my forehead and take that one idea, I like to just bite into it and grind, if you know what I mean. I was going through my house and it just hit me. That corner is perfect. This is where Brush by Sal's should be packaged, created. Ideas should flow from here. I feel the energy there. And as you can see, this is also where my family pictures are. My family is going to be my inspiration, and the energy is just going to flow in me. So I've already cleared downstairs where this black IKEA cupboard is going to go. That's going to make my job a whole lot easier. Tomorrow morning, we are going to finish everything because I need a man's strength to be able to drill the concrete wall. I try, I really do try, but my strength is just not sufficient. And it's also good for a man to feel, you know, anatakikana, anaweza katumika, ama sio? You've seen how it looks like. I'm going to clear everything, take it downstairs, come back and start assembling the rest, and let's create this magical space where ideas will flow through, ideas will come through, like the universe can hear me right now. You know, universe, listen, I'm calling, you know, just channel that energy and let's create this. I'm super excited and tired. but excited. Ah, bloody hell! Jesus! You can plan a hell lot of things, but when you want to execute them, they do not work out like you had planned. I saw this in my mind and I knew it was going to work out, but it's not working out. This is a square cupboard, and because it's square, while it's intact, I can't get it to fit. It can't. I have tried all sorts of Kama Sutra and yoga on this bloody thing. Sorry for cursing, I'm so frustrated, but it's not working. So I'm just going to make sure that I dismantle it and then put it back together in that space, because that is the only option that I can think of right now. I do not have any other options.
One week later.
Still, yeah. Millimeter. Good. Yes.
Later that same evening.
This time, my lovelies, third time is the charm. Third time is the charm. I am so happy with this space right now. Just look at it. Just look at it. Never try, never know. I tried, now I know. I had different ideas when it came to this space, but last week's happenings, all the frustrations that I had with the other desks, sent me back to the drawing board, and I had to come up with a new idea, come up with a new plan, and I'm glad I did, because to me this looks absolutely gorgeous. One thing that was very essential was a plant. As you can see from the previous pictures, this plant was over there and that plant was over there. So we had to take this plant and actually cut it because it was way too tall. So we cut it down a little bit. It now fits there. And I have my plant, which is my spoon plant. This is my plant. This is it. I have 4 of these. We have a few more plants, tiny plants. We also have a few trinkets for my clients. We have our packaging things here. And some tropical, some more packaging things. I have my cards, like this one here. So that's there. We have our stickers for the address. And here are some of the merchandise that I will be selling. These are the rings. We will do a video about that later. This was about creating a workspace. And here it is. I am so in love with this desk. I am really in love with this desk. Third time was definitely the charm. I went with a different option. I'm glad I did. I'm glad everything else didn't work out, which led me to this one. We have our earrings over here. We have our chains in here and our bracelets. Everything at an arm's length. There is my chair. We have a little bit of a carpet situation happening because we want our feet to be all warm. I'm glad that the idea that I took from my forehead is now here in front of me, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I am super pleased. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing my videos. It's been your girl's house comfort, showing you how I transformed my once useless space that had nothing going on to a workspace. As usual, do not forget to leave, laugh, love. And with that being said, ciao ciao. I'll see you on another video.